Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage SIM pin on Redmi A3 Pro. To manage SIM pin, go to Settings, then go to Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock, then Privacy, then go to More Security Settings, then click on your SIM under SIM Lock. And now you can enable, disable or change the SIM pin. So to enable it, click on the switch to enable it and then enter the pin that was previously there. Okay, and now it's on. So whenever you take the SIM out of the phone and put it back into the same or a different phone, it will ask you for SIM pin. Or if you restart your phone as well. You can change the SIM pin. To do it, click on change SIM pin, then first enter the old pin, then enter new pin and enter it again and OK. And now the SIM pin is changed successfully. And to disable SIM pin, disable the switch and enter your current SIM pin and click on OK. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.